Did you know that businesses spend a staggering 40% of their marketing budget on content that never converts, leading to billions in lost revenue annually? Many teams are still manually slogging through content creation, which is like trying to monitor a global network for threats by sifting through raw packet captures one by one. This inefficiency isn't just a drain on resources, it's a critical vulnerability for your business growth. That's where advanced AI like Claude steps in. Claude isn't just a basic chatbot, it's a sophisticated large language model, or LLM, engineered for complex reasoning, deep context retention, and generating human-quality, long-form content. Think of it as having a highly skilled content strategist and copywriter on your team, available 24/7, capable of understanding nuanced prompts to produce perfectly tailored marketing assets. We're talking far beyond simple blog posts. Claude can analyze your target audience, pinpoint their exact pain points, and then craft entire email sequences, social media campaigns, compelling landing page copy, and even add creatives that deeply resonate. This isn't just about accelerating content production, it's about leveraging AI's ability to process vast datasets of successful marketing patterns to optimize every single word for maximum conversion. Manually crafting compelling marketing copy for every single stage of your sales funnel is incredibly time-consuming, expensive, and often inconsistent, even for seasoned professionals. Most small to medium-sized businesses lack dedicated copywriters or struggle to scale their content production, leading to stale campaigns and significant missed opportunities. This kind of inefficiency is akin to manually reviewing every packet in a network for threats instead of deploying in IPSIDs. It's slow, prone to human error, and fundamentally unsustainable. The real consequence of inefficient, manual marketing is measurable: lost leads, dramatically reduced conversion rates, and ultimately, stifled revenue growth. Consider how rapidly companies like Netflix or Amazon iterate and personalize their customer communication. They achieve this through advanced automation. If you're still manually tweaking ad copy, you're handing your competitors, who are already using AI, a massive, undeniable advantage in speed, personalization, and market reach. First, Claude automates lead generation content by generating highly targeted ad copy for platforms like Google Ads or LinkedIn, crafting compelling lead magnet ideas, and even outlining or writing ebooks or white papers. You simply input your target audience demographics, their specific pain points, and your offering, and Claude outputs multiple variations. This enables rapid A/B testing, quickly identifying which messaging converts best, much like a security scanner rapidly identifying vulnerabilities across a vast network segment. Once a lead is captured, Claude truly excels at creating entire email nurturing sequences designed to build trust and educate. From initial welcome emails to compelling case studies, testimonials, and educational content, Claude ensures consistent messaging and tone across dozens of touchpoints. You define the ideal customer persona and their journey, and Claude fills in the content gaps, keeping leads warm and engaged without you needing to lift a finger. At the critical conversion stage, Claude can generate powerful call-to-action statements, highly persuasive landing page copy, and even scripts for sales calls or chatbots that intelligently anticipate and address common objections. By analyzing vast amounts of successful sales language and customer feedback, Claude crafts messages that effectively overcome hesitations and drive commitments, mirroring how an intrusion detection system IDS flags suspicious activity patterns for immediate response. The true game changer here is personalization at scale. By integrating Claude with your existing CRM system, it can dynamically generate personalized emails or even ad copy based on a lead's specific interactions, their purchase history, or even their industry. This level of tailored, one-to-one communication, previously only accessible to massive enterprises with huge budgets, can now be achieved by any business, making every customer feel individually understood and genuinely valued. From B2B SaaS companies needing to explain complex technical solutions, to e-commerce brands driving product sales, or even consultants building their personal brand, Claude's sales funnel automation is universally applicable. Any business that relies on written communication to effectively attract, engage, and convert customers can dramatically boost its efficiency and effectiveness by wisely adopting this transformative technology. To leverage Claude effectively, mastering prompt engineering is absolutely key. Don't just ask for marketing copy. Instead, clearly define the persona, the desired tone, e.g., authoritative but approachable, the target audience's specific pain points, the exact call to action, and any brand guidelines. Think of it like crafting a precise CM correlation rule: garbage in, garbage out. The more specific and detailed your prompt, the higher quality and more relevant the output will be. For truly automated and optimized funnels, you must integrate Claude with your marketing analytics platforms and your CRM. Feed conversion data, email open rates, and click-through rates back into your prompts to continuously refine Claude's output over time. This creates a powerful, self-improving feedback loop, allowing the AI to learn what truly resonates with your audience and continuously improve campaign performance, much like a threat intelligence platform constantly updates its feeds. While incredibly powerful, remember that AI is fundamentally a tool. Always critically review Claude's generated content for accuracy, ensure it aligns perfectly with your brand voice, and verify ethical implications and regulatory compliance. Just as you wouldn't blindly trust an automated security scan without thorough human verification, you should never launch AI-generated marketing content without a human eye ensuring its quality and integrity. The future of sales and marketing isn't about replacing humans, it's about augmenting them with intelligent AI like Claude. Stop wasting precious time and resources on manual content creation. Start leveraging AI to automate your sales funnel, scale your efforts beyond imagination, and achieve unprecedented conversion rates. The competitive landscape demands this evolution, and the technology is undeniably ready for you.